was a wolf who eats sheep. That I am the wolf. That means I am the sheep.
I'm the boy who cried wolf.
Now the story begins.
Help, help, help. There's a wolf trying to eat my sheep.
Hey, why are you yelling my name? I'm not trying to eat your sheep.
No, I don't believe you.
I'm trying to tell you. I'm not going to eat your sheep.
I just think you're making an excuse. You're trying to be a man, but you're a wolf.
I'm just hungry and there is nothing to eat in the woods.
No, you're a carnivore. Go eat something else.
I'm telling you, I'm not trying to eat your sheep. Now just let me have something.
My fam, you foolish wolf. You so foolish.
I ate your family, you little. And I'm not going to eat your sheep. And I'm not going to eat your baby. Yeah.